Let's explore how you can effortlessly mention multiple users in an Instagram post on your PC. Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin, open Instagram.com on your web browser to access your account. Next, click on the plus box located on the left side of the homepage to create a new post. Select from computer to upload the desired photo or video from your PC. Choose the photo or video you wish to share and proceed by clicking on Next after any necessary editing. Craft your caption by typing the text you want to accompany the post, ensuring to leave a space for mentions. To tag a user, type I, followed by the username of the person you wish to tag in the post. Select the correct profile from the list of users that appears. Continue this process to mention multiple accounts in your post. The usernames of the tagged users will be highlighted in blue within the text. Once you've mentioned all desired users, click on Share at the top right corner of the post box to publish your post. By following these simple steps, you can effectively mention multiple users in an Instagram post on your PC. Elevate your social media game and engage with your community like never before. Start tagging now and enhance your Instagram experience.